What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we're going to be unboxing the XS turbocharger. This is a remanufactured OE replacement with a upgraded compressor wheel. This will be replacing our blown turbo on our 2013 WRX. With the box open, you can see the return label and some high density foam here that holds the turbocharger in place to prevent any damage from shipping. With the turbo out of the box, let's take a closer look at what we get. It looks like it comes with everything including a wastegate except for the coolant and oil lines. Here you can see the billet compressor wheel. The reason why I went with this company is because the pricing was very competitive and that they balanced the entire rotating assembly, unlike some of the cheaper turbos. Here you can see the oil feed line is plugged with a red plug, as well as the coolant lines on the side here and another plug for the drain. Although these are remanufactured turbos, they do use a new hot side housing as they tend to crack near the wastegate area. And this concludes our unboxing of the XS turbocharger turbo. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.